Hey Garden Nerds, I'm at the Heirloom Expo in Ventura County, California. It's in a new location instead of Santa Rosa, and we're excited to be here. Behind me is the giant squash pile, which if you come in the gate, it's the first thing you see. I'm going to take you on a tour of everything there is to see at the Heirloom Expo. Come along for the ride. The first thing you'll notice when you come through the gate is that there is a band playing. There's a constant changeover hour after hour of wonderful bluegrass music and other stuff like that, and people have places to sit down and eat their lunch and just hang out and listen to music. The vendor hall is featuring all kinds of things from food products. I just bought some Icelandic lava salt from this guy, these people at the cheese bar, to plant sales, seed sales, and gardening supplies. It's all good stuff. In addition to seeds, there are seed supplies and tools and whatnot. We just interviewed Evan for the podcast at the Heirloom Seed House, so keep an eye out for that. If you need things like oyas, you can get them here. And there are a lot of plants for sale and a lot of other stuff too. So this is Stephen Rembrandt. We've had him on the podcast, and he's here at a booth with Rembrandt Farms. What are you showing off today, Stephen?
Hey, Christy. Great to see you. Wow, this has been nonstop. I can't even believe we have this moment because this has been just flying off of the wine box.
Yay!
This is the first and only handmade Demeter certified biodynamic compost on the market in the United States. And it is made with all of my love and passion and expertise and blood and sweat and tears and spirit. And here it is. People think it's chocolate cake.
It does look like chocolate cake.
And when I do this, it holds together, and I can even squeeze moisture out of it with my fingers.
Yes, you can.
And when I do this, it breaks apart. And this is the structure that we are looking to create in our soil. This is huge amounts of vital humus. So,
and the compost tea, these are balls that we've used.
They're no longer balls.
They're no longer balls. It's loose.
There's the new.
It's
loose.
The
new evolution. It's this.
Oh, great.
It's this, but keep going.
No. And you can mix it into water and use it to water your garden, and the world is a better place because of this guy.
Aww.
So Baker Creek did have a whole selection of seeds for sale, but they pretty much all went by this morning. The seed sale tables are completely empty with the exception of some of their garlic and onions that are still being picked over by folks who missed all the seeds. Maybe they'll bring some more tomorrow, who knows? The bookstore is featuring all of the books from the speakers at the festival, including yours truly. All 3 books are here for sale. No worries, Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden, Garden Variety, and Gardening for Geeks, along with some books by Bevan Cohen, who we had on the podcast. And yeah, several books by Bevan Cohen. We had him on regarding the seed and nut oils book recently. But there's other great speakers who are speaking, and their books and many others are for sale. Speaking of synergistic relationships, we have the Compost Tea products in one area. So if you're going to brew compost tea, you can get your brewer from places like Synergy and then use Malibu compost to brew it. It's bacterially dominant, so you want to feed it with something to make some fungus bloom before brewing it for a fungal dominant tea, but theirs is the best on the market. Also, along with Rembrandt Farms. This vendor has my heart. They've got these really beautiful vintage signs that you can hang in your garden or on your wall, anywhere.
There's a lot of different kinds of people.
These garden signs are just so cool for, pollinator-friendly garden, native plant gardens. And they're going to be putting out a calendar here for 2024. And they are called, this is called Worthram Designs Garden Signs. Now, the thing that is the most impressive part of the Heirloom Expo every year is this incredibly giant warehouse full of display produce. Everything is labeled so that you can see a variety that you might want to grow, get the name of it, and then seek out the seeds. It goes on and on and on. For example, let's just walk down this squash table, and you can see that the varieties are labeled. I do not have a steady cam, so this is what it is. Mini kabocha. I tried growing these once. I did not do well in my garden, but they are so pretty, aren't they? These are Patisson Panache. There are lots of, some more standard looking like Casper or white flat borer. These are an Englisher custard. I tried growing these once, they did okay. They are meant to be eaten young, but still good in that state. And if you like warty, boy do they have warty pumpkins for you. I like this. This is a delicata, a type of butternut squash, but it's more like a tromboncino, which is interesting. I don't know the name of it, it's not labeled. But lots of scallopy. I'm in love with winter squash, can you tell? It's just the most beautiful thing on the planet. And there's some more butternuts, and these some smaller butternuts. But take a look at this. It just goes on and on and on. And it's whether it's melons or tomatoes or squash, you get your fill with eye candy at the Heirloom Expo. You can also get your fill of really unusual corn varieties. The table is filled with samples, not to be taken, but just to be observed and photographed. So if you want to get these seeds, you can. So we're here at the seed swap, and the tables are covered. And there are people hanging around just waiting for those covers to come off because it's about to be a madhouse.
Fend them off or traffic.
He's got a cane, he's ready to fend them off. All right, they're unveiling. The seed swap is officially open.
Kind of snake through the tables this way in some sort of organized fashion. We'll see how long that lasts.
Okay.
Remember, the most important thing here is only take seeds that you plan to grow them, save them, and share them with your friends.
Yeah,
let's go!
Woohoo! And the tables are uncovered. And the seeds are out. Oh, I'm walking too fast for everything. Look at this table of beautiful corn seeds and bean seeds. So you can take envelopes and put them in there. I also brought some ornamental poppy seeds I'm going to drop on the table. See, he's got stuff over here. Peanuts! Oh my gosh!
So get it. The first part of that information I got from somebody else.
And there are seeds here, potatoes, and tomatoes.
Would I be able to look this
Oh, that's a rice tomato. Yes.
Yes, of course. So yeah, grab one of these. Yep, there you go. Yeah, because like these
Favas and dill.
three came from Baker Street. This one didn't, but it's you'll be able to find information on it.
Oh, you dropped the bag.
See, it's like crazy, and it takes no time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the 2023 Heirloom Expo in Ventura County, California. There's so much more than what I showed you, but this was just an enticement to hopefully get you down to the next one in 2024. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll find out when our next video comes online. And consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. You'll find tons of free information about growing your own food at gardenerd.com, and in my books, Gardening for Geeks, Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden, and read my novel, Garden Variety, because the sequel is coming out someday. Happy gardening.